Hello, my dear kids. Now we are going to start chapter 6 from your ISSO Olympiad workbook, and the chapter name is Great Achievers. In this chapter, we are going to discuss that is Master of Medicine, great poet, great leader, great musician, great educationist, and social reformers. Okay, let's start with question. Question 1 is he was a great Indian poet. He was the first Indian who received the Nobel Prize in 1913 for his great writing named Gitanjali. देखो, Gitanjali is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Option C is the right answer here. Actually, he was the first Indian, or we can say that indeed he was first non-European, okay, who received this Nobel Prize, okay, in 1913. He was first non-European or first Indian, okay, who received Nobel Prize. If we are talking about Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi wrote several publications, okay, and his book was the My Experiments with Truth. It was very famous, okay, and he also started the weekly publication named Young India, okay. These are his written work. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, actually Raja Ram Mohan Rai is also known as the father of Indian Renaissance, okay, father of Indian actually he led the lifelong crusade against practice of sati, okay, he was famous for that. And fourth one, that is Kalidas. Kalidas was a classical Sanskrit author, but he lived long before the Nobel Prize was established, okay, so that not a single Nobel Prize was in his name, okay. So but right answer for the Gitanjali, who won the Nobel Prize, that is Rabindranath Tagore. C is right answer here. Next, the musical instrument shown in the given picture is associated with, this instrument is associated with Ravi Shankar, okay, this is sitar and this is associated with Pandit Ravi Shankar. Zakir Hussain was a tabla player. Bismillah Khan is Shehnai player, and Hari Prasad Chaurasia is Bansuri or flute player, okay, Bansuri, that is called flute also player, okay, but for this sitar, that is Pandit Ravi Shankar is right answer. Next, which of the following social reformers is known as father of Indian Renaissance? I told you in the previous question who was that. That was Raja Ram Mohan Rai. A is the right answer here. Actually, he played a pivot role in the abolition of sati and promoted women's education. That was the Raja Ram Mohan Rai work. Okay, that's why he was also known as a father of Indian Renaissance. But Dayanand Saraswati is also known as the we can say that father Martin Luther of India, okay. Then the Dayanand Saraswati was known as Martin Luther of India, okay. He was a social reformer, so that we also call it to the Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Vivekanand is actually known as spiritual scientist, okay. We also call it patriotic son of India to Swami Vivekanand, okay. And the D is Baba Amte. Baba Amte is known as modern Gandhi of India, okay. But right answer for father of Indian Renaissance, that is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. A is right answer here. Next, which of the following statement are correct regarding Jyotirao Phule? Look, Jyotirao Phule, that is he was a strong supporter of women's education, absolutely right. He was an advocate for the rights of lower caste individuals, absolutely right. He was from Maharashtra, right. So all of these are the right statements about the Jyotirao Phule. Next, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a very popular and an eminent artist who is known for his outstanding contribution in popularizing Indian classical music all over the world. With which of the following musical instrument is he associated? Actually, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is associated with flute, okay. D is the right answer here. Next, who authored Amar Jeevan? Actually, Amar Jeevan was authored by Ras Sundari Devi. A is the right answer here, okay. Actually, Ras Sundari Devi was published in 1876. It was the first full-length audio biography that was published in Bengali language. And Rash Sundari Devi is the first Bengali woman who wrote complete or full autobiography. Okay. B is Pandita Ramabai. Pandita Ramabai is also a Bengali writer. Actually, she is the first Indian woman or Bengali woman who was awarded with the name Pandita, or we also call it that is Pandita or Saraswati by University of Calcutta. Okay, that was a name for the Pandita Ramabai. Okay, actually the name of the woman was Ramabai. Pandita was given by the title given by the University of Calcutta. Okay, next one is the Kailash Bashini Devi. Kailash Bashini, I forget to tell you that the Pandita Ramabai wrote the novel that is wrote the High Caste Hindu Woman. Okay, that was his work, the High Caste Hindu Woman. Actually, in this novel, there's the questions about the high society in women. Okay, see. Kailash Bashini Devi. Kailash Bashini Devi wrote that is Janika Grah Bahadur diary. Okay, Janika Grah Bahadur diary. In this diary, there were so many questions about the woman's mind. Okay, women have so many questions in her mind, and these questions are written in this book, Janika Grah Bahadur diary. Okay. Fourth one, Tarabai Shinde D. Tarabai Shinde wrote the novel that is Sri Purush Tulna. Okay, that is the comparison between the man and woman. So the novel name was Sri Purush Tulna. But the author of Amar Jeevan was Rash Sundari Devi. A is the right answer here. Next, Dash known as the father of plastic surgery. Sushruta is known as father of plastic surgery. Okay, D is the right answer here. Jivaka is known as the king of medicine. Okay, for his exceptional skills in the medicine. Then that's why the people talk and say him king of medicines. And Vagbhatta is known as father of Hridaya. Okay, Ashtang Hridaya, basically not Hridaya. That is Ashtang Hridaya. Okay, that is the father of Vagbhatta. Kashyap actually they are known as father of all creature. Actually, he was one of Saptarishi in 7 great sages. Okay, that is Kashyap, and he was known as father of all creatures. But father of plastic surgery is Sushruta. D is the right answer here. Next, he was an Indian Carnatic singer from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. She was the first musician ever to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. She was known as Queen of Carnatic Music. Who is the Queen of Carnatic Music? That is M.S. Shubha Lakshmi. Okay, A is the right answer here. Actually, M.S. Shubha Lakshmi was known as the Queen of Carnatic Music. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had this to say about the M.S. Shubha Lakshmi, that who am I? A mere prime minister before a queen of music. Okay, so this title given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to the M.S. Shubha Lakshmi. Okay, if I am talking about Lata Mangeshkar, Lata Mangeshkar is known as Queen of Melody, Voice of Millennium, Nightingale of India. These titles are given to the Lata Mangeshkar. Nightingale of India is also the title of the Sarojini Naidu. Okay, but Lata Mangeshkar title are mainly these are the Voice of Millennium and Queen of Melody. Okay, Asha Bhosle is known as Queen of Indie Pop. Okay, actually this is the title from the Indian pop music. Okay, that is Queen of Indie Pop. Asha Bhosle also holds the Guinness World Book of Records for most recorded artist. Okay, in 2011 this record was recorded. Okay, last one, that is Naina Devi. Naina Devi is known for its Thumri. Okay, Thumri, she is well known for that. Okay, but for Queen of Carnatic Music, that is M.S. Shubha Lakshmi is right answer here. Next, Dash was a social reformer and most commonly known as Periyar. Okay, he is the known as father of Dravidian movement. that is the father of Dravidian movement is E.V. Ramaswamy Nekar, okay, and he was well known as Periyar, okay, so people call it Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy Nekar, okay. B is the right answer here. If I am talking about Narayan Guru is also known as second Buddha, okay, second Buddha people also call it. Jyotirao Phule, we already discussed that he is a father of Indian social revolution, okay, Jyotirao Phule. If I am talking about Swami Dayanand Saraswati is Martin Luther of India. I already told you, as a social reformer, he was also known as Swami Dayanand Saraswati or Martin Luther of India. But for the father of Dravidian movement, that is E.V. Ramaswamy Nekar, who is known as Periyar. B is right answer here. Next, he was an Indian jurist, economist and politician and social reformer who chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. Actually, they all four are social reformer, okay, they all four people are social reformers, but B.R. Ambedkar is the person who was the member of Constitution Assembly, okay, that's why he was also known as father of Constitution, okay. He played the very significant role in the drafting of Constitution, okay. So B is the right answer here. Jyotirao Phule, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Vinoba Bhave, they all are also social reformer. Like Jyotirao Phule worked for the education of Indian women and low caste women, okay, he worked. If I am talking about Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, that was a key figure in the Bengal Renaissance and worked for widow remarriage. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, okay, widow remarriage was the main significant work by him. Vinoba Bhave, he was an advocate and non-violent advocate, okay, and he was worked for the human rights. So this is Vinoba Bhave. But for Indian Constitution Assembly, the significant figure is B.R. Ambedkar. B is right answer here. Next, who among the following authored Ramayan? Ramayan is authored by Maharishi Valmiki. B is the right answer here, okay. Vedvyas wrote Mahabharat and Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitramanas, okay, but Ramayan is wrote by Valmiki. Vedvyas Mahabharat and Tulsidas Ram Charitra Manas, okay, but for Ramayan Valmiki is right answer here. Next, Indian classical sarod player Ustad Amjad Ali Khan is renowned for his quick and clean ekratans. He was born into a family of classical musicians. Which of the following award was he awarded with? Though let's check. Padma Shri, yes, Padma Shri Amjad Ali Khan got in 1975. Padma Bhushan he got in 1991. Padma Vibhushan in 2001 he got. And Fukuoka Asian Culture Prize he got in 2004. And Global Music Award he got in 2017. So all the award he won, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the award he won. So D is the right answer here. Next, he was an Indian educationist, philanthropist and politician. He was elected as a member of Legislative Assembly from Bodhan in 1985 and again in 1994. Identify him. He is Bashiruddin Babu Khan. A is the right answer here, okay. C. K.M. Kundnani. This is the picture of K.M. Kundnani. And D. C.K. Janu, and this is the picture of C.K. Janu, okay. But for right answer for given picture, that is Bashiruddin Babu Khan. A is the right answer here. Next is Ban Bhatta has written the biography of what? Ban Bhatta has written the biography of Harshvardhana, okay, that is also known as Harsh Charitra, okay. Name of the biography is Harsh Charitra, that was written by Ban Bhatta. So B is the right answer here, okay. That is Harisena. Harisena was composed, that is Prayag Prashasti, composed by Harisena, okay. And Harishchandra did not write any single person full biography, okay. And D, that is Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan biography was written by Chand Bardai, okay. And name of the Chand Bardai biography is that was Prithviraj Raso, okay. Prithvi Raj Raso. And Harshvardhana's biography name is, that was Harsh Charitra. Harsh Charitra. Okay. And Harishchandra did not known for any biography. And Harisena, I told you that he does not wrote any biography, but he composed Prayag Prashasti. Okay. But right answer for Banbhatta, that is Harshvardhana. B is the right answer here. Next is, the person shown in the given picture was an Indian musician who played the Shehnai. Okay. This is Shehnai was playing by Bismillah Khan. This person name is Bismillah Khan. A. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar, this is the picture of Ravi Shankar. He is sitarist. Okay. Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain is a tabla player. You can see that in this picture. And Shiv Kumar Sharma. Shiv Kumar Sharma is a santoor player. Okay. That is a santoorist. But right answer for the given picture, that is Bismillah Khan, who is playing Shehnai. D is the right answer here. Next, when did Widow Remarriage Act was passed, which was the prominent effort of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? I told you in the previous question, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is well known for widow remarriage. Okay, and that act was passed in 1856. Actually, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar advocate that widow should be allowed to remarry. He used ancient texts to support widow remarriage. His suggestion was adopted by British officials, and a law of permitting widow remarriage was passed in 1856. Okay, so C is the right answer here. Who wrote Chote aur Bade ka Sawal? Chote aur Bade ka Sawal wrote by the Kashi Baba. A is the right answer here. Actually, Kashi Baba, a Kanpur milk worker, he wrote the Chote aur Bade ka Sawal in 1938 to show the link between the caste and class exploitation. Okay, caste and class. So that was written by Kashi Baba. If I am talking about the B.R. Ambedkar, so B.R. Ambedkar has been wrote the Annihilation of Caste. Okay, that is also about the low class people. Annihilation of caste, which this work also differentiate between the low class or upper class people. The E.V. Ramaswamy Nekar, he is also known as Periyar. In the previous question I told you he is also known as Periyar. Okay, and he wrote the Sachi Ramayan in 1944. He wrote Sachi Ramayan. And Jyotiba Phule's famous writing is Gulamgiri. Okay, Gulamgiri in 1873. Okay, but right answer for the given question, Chote aur Bade ka Sawal, that is Kashi Baba is right answer here. Next, the discovery of India is authored by that is Jawaharlal Nehru. C is the right answer here. Actually, Jawaharlal Nehru has written the discovery of India. Actually, it was for the Indian freedom fighter. During his incarnation in 1942 to 1945, he wrote this book at the Ahmednagar Fort. Okay, he wrote this Discovery of India. If I am talking about Mahatma Gandhi famous work, I told you in the previous question also, My Experiments with Truth. My Experiments with Truth. Bhagat Singh is not known for any writing a book, and Subhash Chandra Bose famous work is The Indian Struggle. The Indian Struggle. Okay, but right answer for the question, the discovery of India, that is for Jawaharlal Nehru. C is the right answer here. Next question is the study the given relationship and select the correct option to fill in the blank. Father of missile program is the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and father of Indian Constitution, I told you in the previous question, that is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. D is the right answer here. Okay, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, it is a father of Bengal Renaissance. I told you in previous questions. Mahatma Gandhi is father of nation, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is known as a founder of Maratha Empire. Okay, he was founder of Maratha Empire. But right answer for given question, father of Indian Constitution, that is B.R. Ambedkar. D is the right answer here. Next, select the incorrect statement. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet who served as the first governor of United Province. Absolutely right. Actually, that was the served as now the United Province is known as Uttar Pradesh UP. Okay, and she was the first Indian woman who was served as the first governor. Okay, after independence. In 1858, Rani Lakshmibai died fighting British colonial rulers near Gwalior in a place known as Kotha Ki Sarai. Yes, this is absolutely right. At that place, Rani Lakshmibai has been died. Okay, so that is also correct. Mahatma Gandhi was a major political and spiritual leader of India who led the country in non-corporation movement in 1927. This is wrong. Non-corporation movement actually it was started in 1920. In 1921 Mahatma Gandhi led this movement. Okay, but 1927 is the incorrect here. आगे Verghese Kurian is known as the father of white evolution. Absolutely right. This is the very famous statement that Verghese Kurian is the father of white evolution. Many times you can see the question who is the father of white evolution. So Verghese Kurian is the right answer for this question. Okay, but here wrong statement is C. Only incorrect statement. Next, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct option regarding X and Y. Okay, so here you can see that the X has all these three qualities, that is female freedom fighter, belong to the royal family and participated in 1857 revolt. But X is only belongs to the two conditions, that belong to the royal family and participated in 1857 revolt. Okay, so let's check. Y can be Rani Lakshmibai. Yes, because she belongs to royal family and she was participated in 1857 revolt. Both are statements suited to the Rani Lakshmibai. X can be Nana Sahib. Yes, this is also correct that X can be referred to the Nana Sahib, because Nana Sahib was the female freedom fighter and he belongs to royal family and he was also participated in 1857. Y can be one who celebrated for her valiant effort during the first war of Indian independence in 1857. Absolutely right. Actually, Rani Lakshmibai was the person who started this war in 1857. It was failure. Okay, but still Rani Lakshmibai has put so many effort in this war. Okay, so all of these are the right answer here. D is the right answer. Read the following statement about some social reformers of our society and select the option that correctly identify them. A. He fought against Sati Pratha. So who fought against Sati Pratha? We already discussed that. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Ram Mohan Rai. Okay. He founded the Arya Samaj. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Okay. Third one, she founded Arya Mahila Samaj, that is Pandita Ramabai. She was the first Bengali woman who has been founded the Arya Mahila Samaj, Pandita Ramabai, and she is also the first Bengali woman who got this title Pandita by Calcutta University. Okay. She founded Scientific Society at Aligarh. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is founded the society at Aligarh. Okay, so B, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Pandita Ramabai and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is the right answer here. Next, read the given statement and select the option that correctly identify true and false. Madam Bikaji Kama is often referred as the mother of the Indian Revolution. Is it right or wrong? This is absolutely right here. B. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar is often hailed as the father of Indian social reform because of his monumental contribution in pioneering social change. Actually, this is not correct here. Raja Ram Mohan Rai is the often hailed as the father of Indian social reformer. Okay, not Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Okay, he forced widowed remarriage, but Raja Ram Mohan Rai was the person who hailed as the father of Indian social reformer because his monumental contribution is pioneering in social changes. Okay, he fought for the Sati Pratha. So he was actually contributing the pioneering social changes. So this is wrong here. Okay, false statement. The Charaka Samhita is in a Sanskrit text based on Ayurveda. Absolutely right. Authored by RPG Abdul Kalam and Mr. Arun Tiwari, the 180-page book Wings of Fire was first published in 2000. No, this is 1999. It was published, not in 2000. So this is also incorrect. So correct true, false, true and false again. So C is the right answer here. Okay. Next, which of the following option on Unscramble will give the name of great musician who was born in Karnataka, is known for the Khayal form of singing as well as for his popular rendition of devotional music? The first one is Muhammad Rafi. That is second one is Ravi Krishnan. Third one is Tansen, and fourth one is Bhimsen Joshi. So Muhammad Rafi, Ravi Krishna, Tansen and Bhimsen Joshi is the name of by unscrambling the words. Okay, but right answer for the given question, that who was born in Karnataka, that was Bhimsen Joshi. D is the right answer here. Next question and last one is match the column and select the correct option. That Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is known as Lion of Punjab. Okay, this is A3. Swami Vivekanand is known as Hindu monk, or I told you he was also known as patriotic monk or Hindu monk. So B is 1. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai is the father of Indian Renaissance. That is the C4. And Jyotirao Phule, that was Christian missionaries. So 2. So here 3142. 3142 B is the right answer here. Okay, so kids, here we learn about the chapter that was the Great Achievers. Repeat this video, learn all the question and their option also. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.